Horton hatches the egg.
Sighed Maisie, a lazy bird hatching an egg.
I'm tired and I'm bored and I've kinks in my leg from just sitting here day after day. It's work. How I hate it. I'd much rather play. Take a vacation, fly off for a rest. If I could find someone to stay on my nest.
Lucky you, a butterfly just landed on your nose and
Fly
wing.
away free. Hello! You've nothing to do and I do need a rest.
This is fun. Oh, you're
Playtime is over. Time to clean up. We had a lot of fun playing. Help me put the toys away. Drag each toy into the right box. Click start to begin the game. Try again. You can do it. Great job! Let's play together!
You're fantastic and amazing. You just turned yourself 4. I'm happy as a woodchuck in a furniture store.